Yes. Alberto Baza, the crack team boss, the boss of the crack team. Election is on Saturday. Election is on Saturday. Edo governorship election is on Saturday, September 19. That day, the sheep will be separated from the goats. That day, 95% Edos are going to be voting for light. 95% Edos are going to be voting for Edo to move forward. 95% of Edos are going to be voting for the governor, His Excellency Governor Noelase Obaseki, to continue the good job that he has started in Edo State. And we are going to have less than 5%. Less than 5% will be coming out on that day to vote for darkness. Less than 5% will be coming out to vote for retrogression. Less than 5% will be coming out to vote for Godfatherism. Less than 5% will be coming out to vote for the return of Agbehorism. Less than 5% will be coming out to vote for the return of CDA, for the return of thuggery, for the return of government patronizing cultism. But thank God that although our brain is intact, 95% we are resolute, we know what we want, and on that day we are going to be re-electing the Wekasi governor with our PVC. This election is between light and darkness. Obaseki represents light. Izeyamu represents darkness. Izeyamu represents retrogression. Izeyamu represents taking Edo backward. Obaseki is moving Edo forward. And come September 19, we are going to be voting on that day. Please pick up your phone. The reason why you see them running their mouth saying tigers and lions is because they don't want you to come out and vote on that day. They can only read when there is voters' apathy. They can only read when people don't come out en masse to cast their votes on that very day. That is the only way their rigging plan can succeed. But if we all come out, trust me, the security agencies, they are not stupid. The police, they are not stupid. The DSS, the military, they are not stupid. If we come out en masse on that very day, they cannot resist us. They cannot stop us. So please pick up your phone, call your friends, call your mother, a lady called me all the way from Germany yesterday that she discovered that they went to deceive the mother and they collected the mother's PVC. That by Monday, she's going to be instituted a case. She has told the mother to go to police station. She's going to be arresting the APC guy that went to the mother's house to treat the mother with 2,500 to collect the woman's PVC. If your PVC is with anyone, please go and meet the person. Tell the person to give you back your PVC. That your PVC is your passport to vote on that day. Your PVC is your power. Your PVC is all you have to re-elect a man that will serve you for another 4 years. If you have given your PVC to someone or in the name of empowerment or giving you money or giving you jobs after election, please go back to the person. They are trying to clone your PVC. They are trying to clone your identity. They are trying to steal your identity and get an external, maybe from Imo or Kanu, to use your identity on that very day. Go and collect your PVC. Trust me, 95% of Edo voters card holders, Edo PVC holders, trust me, they are with their PVC and their PVC is intact. Come September 19, this coming Saturday, we are going to be coming out en masse to re-elect His Excellency Governor Noelase Obaseki. Forget their noise. Forget the so-called military people that you are saying. Trust me, the governor is working around the clock to ensure security of life and property on that very day. There will be no harassment, there will be no intimidation, there will be no ballot box snatching. We are expecting, I think, 2 DIGs. We are expecting 8 police commissioners. They are going to be mounting different senatorial districts. If they are looking for police to bribe, they cannot bribe all. DSS is coming, the army, they are coming. Trust me, they cannot rig us out. They are boasting of rigging. This is the first time that the opposition is boasting of rigging. How can somebody just wake up and be boasting of rigging? Most of their boys, they are boasting that they have written results, that they have written. How? The only way they can smuggle, they can sneak those results in is if you don't come out en masse to vote. That's the only way. If we come out en masse, just like my own center, after I don't vote, the INEC officials will count the vote. A winner will be declared. Of course, Governor Obaseki will win. We definitely, my party, PDP, will win my unit and my voting center. After that, we will escort the results to the World Collation Center. Our agents will be there on ground. From there, they will escort the result to the local government collation center. From there to state. Operation Police Your Vote. Operation Police Your Vote. So where? Tell me, where are they going to go? See, PDP controls 2 senatorial districts in this state, Edo South and Edo Central. They know, PDP already know, the PDP as a party, they already know Shomole's rigging formula. They already know Izeyamu's rigging formula. As we speak, we have our people there. Whatever they are planning, we are getting the information clear. That's why they have not been able to succeed in one thing to destroy democracy in Edo State, because we know we have our people there. Most of the people that are there, they are there for the money because they are sharing money. Their heart is with the governor. So please, on Saturday, if you are in diaspora, you are watching me, wherever you are in the world, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Rivers, Germany, if you can afford a flight ticket to Edo, please buy that ticket. You're surprised that you when they fly, they come. Now you want to save the day. If you don't get voters card, follow your man go vote. Say, yeah, you have voters card, but you have to wear vote. If you dare Germany, you dare Italy, you dare America, you dare Canada, you get the money to buy ticket. Thank God, say God now, they don't open, they don't leave the ban on international flights. As we speak, my brother, my friend, Blessing Yare Nabulele is already in Benin City, all the way from the United States of America. As we speak, my brother Odesse Fossa is already in Benin City. People are buying tickets, flying down to Edo, to Benin City, to cast their vote for Obaseki. The ones that don't have PVC, they are coming to help their family, to help their environment, to help their community, to help their ward, their local government defend their vote on that very day. So if you have the money, I am calling on Edos in diaspora, please buy your ticket. If you dare Lagos, enter bus. By latest Thursday, you should be in Benin. Latest Friday, you still have the now till Friday evening. You still have now till Friday 11 o'clock to come to town. Come. Make sure, go and cast your vote. Come and be part. Come and be part of the decision making. Not be said they'll say, they think I read to no. Come. As a Jando, if you enter your polling unit, your voting center that day, trust me, anybody who can do that, I will say no. And before you come, please make sure you go to any of the police there. I don't know, your different country with different system. Please incident it. Go and put it there. Go and write it there. That you are coming to your state. That you are coming to your state of origin, your country, to vote. Incident it. Put it there. So that if anything happen to you, your country there where you forget document will be aware. So my people, let us all join hands together. Now see me now, I'm looking fresh because we have won this election. No, there's no tension here. No tension. What we are doing now is strategizing at the local level, at the grassroots level. We have won this election. They cannot rig this election. Buhari is not interested in this election. The last time Buhari released a statement that Akeredolu will win Ondo. Did you see anything about Izeyamu? We don't see any statement. Buhari saying Izeyamu will win Edo. I don't see most APC governors, they are not interested. That's why they are stranded. They only have 2 governors that are with them. two governors, Imo, the Supreme Court governor, Imo and Ganduje Kanu. Even Lagos State, that one that one not even one make Ezeyamu because that one not say if they succeed with Obaseki, they will also succeed in removing him if he sits for second term. So the governor of Lagos State not even did the one with the day. That one Agada, all the way you there. They all want Governor Obaseki to win. They want PDP to win Edo. So that is why they are fighting. By this time, their plan was by this time don't use SSS, use police, they raid all Obaseki loyalists, all PDP party faithfuls. But they are finding it difficult because Buhari is saying Edo election must be free. The IG is saying Edo election must be free. NSA, they are saying the election will be free. The DSS director, they are saying Edo election will be free and fair, transparent. On that day, go to your polling booth with your PVC. From here, we are going for the Chinese debate. Governor Obaseki, all here have a solid, all have a solizeyamu now. All here have a solizeyamu. Not say if Zeyamu they talk, you only see a practical politician. But when you hear Governor Obaseki speak, you know that this one is an intellectual. This man knows what he's doing. Today, that Chinese debate. By the grace of God, we are going to be calling debate for the two deputy governorship candidates. His Excellency Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. We are going to be calling debate for Gani to come out and debate with Philip Shaibu. Gani, Malam Gani, you must come out. Oh, you must come out. Malam Gani, you must come out to debate because with me here say Gani cannot express himself. That's why Ezeyamu pick Gani. That's why Ezeyamu pick Gani. We here say Gani cannot express himself. Gani cannot speak English for straight 2 minutes. Gani, you must come out and debate with Philip Shaibu. Shaibu, you say you want to be deputy governor. You see, they always try to bring docile people to come rule us. That is their plan. Because if Oshomole brings a dollar like Gani, Oshomole will still be calling the shots in the donuts. That is why. And the reason why Ezeyamu even accept Gani because he knows that Gani cannot talk. Gani will just be. Gani has been in the House of Assembly now for years. Gani don't talk anything. You don't see yet Gani raise any motion. So my people, Gani, you must come out and debate with Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. You must come out. Shebi, you say you want to be deputy governor. You must come out. So, my brothers and sisters, tune in to Channels live debate today by 7 p.m. and watch how Governor Godwin, especially Governor Obaseki, is going to disguagua Ezeyamu. Ezeyamu is going to be coming there today to speak as a normal politician. As a politician, they will just play on issues. See, okay, this Guagua is Ezeyamu and I'm a challenge debate. Why worry? Thank you very much. Share this broadcast. Invite your friends. The main message here, don't forget, it will be free and fair.